In this video, let's learn how to create a combination video screen capture and webcam capture based e-learning course in 30 minutes or less. You will need the following 4 simple steps to create a combination screen and web capture for e-learning course. Step 1 is to record a new video demo in Adobe Captivate 2019. Step 2 requires you to configure your video capture dialog. Then you simply describe something while showing it on your computer. You can use this method to explain software, narrate a PowerPoint, or describe anything that you can show on your computer screen. And finally, you can publish your finished course. Let's start with the first step. Go to File, Record a New Video Demo. A dialog box will appear. In the second step, you will configure the capture settings for your video capture. The upper section of this dialog will allow you to configure the source and size of your screen capture. First, select Screen Area if you want to capture more than one application on the screen at one time. If you only plan to record a single application, select the Application option and then select the specific application from the drop-down menu. The next section allows you to set panning and audio details for your recording. For this exercise, we will leave panning set to No Panning. Change the audio setting to select the microphone that you plan to use for recording. If you want to record audio from the computer itself, check the System Audio box. Next, click the Record button to start recording. You will see a 3-second countdown, and then the recording will begin. During Step 3, you will narrate aloud as you demonstrate or describe something on your computer screen. Captivate will record everything you do and the images that appear on your screen, along with a view of your webcam and the audio of your narration. When the recording is complete, it will appear in a preview for your convenience. Use the play button to preview your saved screen and webcam capture. Finally, you may either edit your finished combination capture or simply publish it as is. To publish your project, just click the Publish button on the lower right-hand side of the preview screen. Let's explore the editing tools. Press the Edit button on the lower right-hand corner of the preview screen. Captivate will open your video capture in editing mode. To trim or remove a section of video, press the Trim button beneath the timeline. Use the drag handles to select the in and out points of the section that you wish to remove. Once you have selected the removable portion of the video, press the Trim button to delete it. If you want to split the video into shorter portions, press the Split button to break the video into separate sections. The webcam view will appear on one layer, and the screen capture will appear on the bottom layer of the timeline. Try selecting the webcam view and moving it around on the stage area. Once you finish editing, press the Publish button to publish your final combination screen and webcam capture as an MP4 video file.